Can you operate this business without prospecting, and how?
Without prospecting? Oh, it's going to be tough. I mean, I don't know how to recommend it without prospecting.
Okay.
But another way, so something that I started doing during COVID, I started offering free virtual home buyer workshops. And for me, that works extremely well because I don't have overhead other than this, Zoom.
Yeah.
And then just getting with my collaborators. And it's about an hour.
Nice.
And 45 minutes and 15-minute Q&A. And, maybe paying for some promotional ads and, posting it on social media. But it's pretty, just staying consistent. So I'll be starting that back up.
All right. So I'm an agent and I don't have a CRM, or I have a CRM, but I don't use it. Do I have any hope?
Let's see. I mean, you could still get some business, but if you want to be more efficient and being able to track information and staying on top of your business, like the follow-up, it's definitely recommended to use the CRM.
Yeah. What do you think the difference is between an agent who works out of an Excel sheet and an agent that works out of a professional CRM?
Spreadsheets, I've seen some realtors do it and they're still able to make it work. But if you want to be more efficient, have a higher reach and follow up, let's say you do some social media or something with the landing page and it gets into your CRM, you can already start automating some of those responses or using the chat AI. You can just be a lot more efficient using the CRM.
So the important part of these things is that it gives you the ability to be efficient and to automate.